Hello, in this video we'll look at how to add readings for the respective meters in your system. So for that you need to go on meter and under that you need to select reading. So for reading and to add a new reading you need to go on add reading over here. Select the unit number that you're looking for and under that unit number you need to add the reading. So for that we'll start by adding the current grid reading. So the current grid reading we can add as anything, which is the opening reading. So if the opening grid reading is 0, you can add that current DG reading as 0, and the reading date is in the terms of you need to add an opening reading date and a closing reading date. So for that, if you are adding the reading for the month of May, then you need to select the first date as May 1st May 2025, save it. Once this is added, on the same page you need to add the closing reading. So for that, again nothing changes, the same unit number, you need to again add the current grid reading, which will now be the closing grid reading. So for that, if at closing grid reading it is at 15 and for closing DG reading it's at 20, we'll add the reading date as on the 30th of May with the 31st of May, which is the closing date, and save it. Now this record is added, and if we go back and check for this unit, we'll be able to see that the consumption grid, everything with the duration of 30 days is now added. So this is how you can add reading manually. But if you want to add in bulk, then you just need to go on import reading over here, and under import reading you can download the template, which is an Excel sheet format that you need to upload the data on. And in this template, like you can see, you need to add the flat number, the unit number, the reading date, which will be your opening reading date, and then here will be the closing reading date. So if this is the 1st of July 2025, then your billing month will be in the format of month and of year and month. So this will be 202507, and grid reading will be the current grid reading, which is opening as 0, DG reading as the opening reading, and any remarks that you want. And similarly for the same unit, we'll add the closing reading for the date of the 31st of July 2025. And in the billing month, again the format will be year month. So over here you will put the year as 2025 and month as 07. The grid current reading as on the closing date, anything you can add, 122 units, and this will be 100 units. Then any other remarks, and then you're good to go. This can directly be uploaded in the system over here, and in bulk you can add the readings. After this, you can also get reports through this export in Excel icon. So this was all on how to add readings in the system.